Hi friends, good evening and welcome to Tech Toast with Science Spread. This is your RJ Vidya. Since this is the beginning of the week, I hope you all are doing great. And Monday is generally a busy day, I guess, because after Sunday you have to rush up to work and study whatever you are doing. So have a very successful week. And this show, as you all know, is all about science, math and also technology. Today, as usual, we are just going to proceed with the show. Before that, I'd like to remind you about the offer that Radio Udaan has for you. Offer is nothing but we give a free entry to 5 listeners to attend the convention that's going to happen in Delhi on January 31st, 2015. If you want to be one among 5 lucky listeners, you are supposed to listen to Radio Udaan and give feedback to all the shows. The more number of feedbacks you give, the more will be your chances of getting into the convention for free. There are various ways through which you can give your feedback. You can either visit the website www.radioudaan.com and click on submit feedback and give feedback for any of the shows. Or our Skype ID is Radio Udaan. Or you can also visit the Facebook page at www.facebook.com/radiospaceudaan and like any of our posts or comment on any of our posts. We'll count all the entries that you give through various means and you can be one of the lucky winners. In case you're not, don't worry, you can also register yourself to participate in the convention. For that, you just need to visit www.radioudaan.com. This was all about the offer that I wanted to tell you. Now, let us begin with the show. Today again, we're going to discuss about science in science section. First, let's start with science section. Today, it's something simple topic. And the topic for today, maybe you will like the topic. So let me not tell you the topic directly. I just want to ask you all whether you eat fruits every day. I think most of us have fruits every day, whether we like it or not. Sometimes we might like it, sometimes we might prefer fast food to fruits. There are various pizzas and burgers and whatnot, lot. You know, KFC and McDonald's and many fast food centers have opened up. So people hardly find time to eat fruits. Even if they find, they'll just get a burger or a pack of French fries instead of fruits. But eating all the junk food, we get a lot of troubles and problems, health related problems. We all know that, but still we don't want to change. We know that exercising is very good for our health. Still we are quite lazy to do that. So we have to change our habits. Now why I asked you whether you eat fruits is because if you are not used to eat fruits, you will know today why you should eat fruits and what all are the health benefits of fruits, of different fruits. So the topic for today is fruits and their health benefits. Now starting with this topic, we all know that fruits are wonderful gifts of nature to mankind. That we all know. Fruits, they just directly grow from plants and we just eat them. They're not manufactured or something, so nature is giving us. It's a wonderful gift for all of us. Human beings generally use up all the things from nature and nature keeps giving it. Nature is actually awesome. So, fruits are also life-enhancing medicines because they're packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and many phytonutrients. Phytonutrients means they are plant-derived micronutrients. They're actually very delicious, few fruits. There are different sort of fruits, sweet and sour fruits. They're very delicious. They're not only attractive by color, but also they have very good flavor. And They have unique nutrition profile. Each fruit has its own nutrition profile, and all these nutrition helps human body to be free from diseases and also keep it healthy. First of all, fruits are low in calorie and fat, and they're source of simple sugar, fiber, and also vitamins, which are essential for optimizing our health. So if you are planning to take a diet, please eat fruits because they are very low in calories, which will not make you fat. Fruits provide plenty of soluble dietary fiber, and it helps to ward off cholesterol and fats from the body, and also it helps in smooth bowel movements, which actually helps in relief from constipation ailments. So if you have constipation too, fruits are very good because they help in smooth bowel movements. Fruits compose of many antioxidants like polyphenolic flavonoids, vitamin C, and also anthocyanins. These compounds firstly help human body protected from oxidant stress, diseases, and also cancers. And secondly, they help the body develop capacity to fight against these ailments by boosting our immunity level. Many fruits, when compared to vegetables and cereals, have very high antioxidant values, which is measured in terms of oxygen radical absorbent capacity, or ORAC. Fruits have benefiting properties because of their richness in vitamins, minerals, micronutrients, pigment, and antioxidants. Altogether, these compounds help the body prevent or at least prolong natural changes of age by protecting from damage and rejuvenating cells, tissues, and organs. Fruit nutrition benefits are enormous. Including fruits in daily diet, you are actually protecting yourself from minor ailments like wrinkling of skin, hair loss, or memory loss, to major ailments like age-related macular degeneration, that is AMRD, that is retina in the eyes, Alzheimer's disease, and cancers, weak bones, it's called as osteoporosis, etc. And list of fruit nutrition facts never ends because they have so many. Now let's take a look at various fruits and various benefits of these fruits. First, I'm going to start with a fruit which is very delicious. It's called as king of fruits, and you find this fruit generally in summer, that's April and May. And in this fruit, actually the trio of these fruits are also very helpful. You use those leaves for various purposes, and in various festivals according to Hindus, celebrated by Hindus, you use the leaves of these fruits, and you make different recipes out of this fruit when it's raw. In South India, we generally make rice with this fruit, and you also have it in pickles made out of this fruit when it's raw. When it's ripe, it's very tasty. It's generally sweet and sometimes sour too, and it has many varieties like Alfonso, Raspberry, etc. Can you guess which fruit is it? Almost I gave you the hint of this fruit and you can guess now. I'm first going to brief you about benefits of the king of fruits, which is mango. It's known as king of fruits, as I told you. It's called so because of its great taste and also for its uncountable benefits. It's very rich in iron content and works as antidote for anemic patients. Anemic patients, I mean, if a person has low blood content or if the iron content in the blood is low, such people are called as anemic patients. It's ideal for pregnant women. It's also rich in vitamin A and helps in reducing skin aging process. These are all the benefits of mangoes. If you want to improve your iron content in your blood, better take mangoes. They really help a lot. Second fruit that we are going to talk about is generally grown in desert, and we don't get the normal form of this fruit generally. They soak it in syrup, sugar syrup, and they're generally dried. You use it to make various sweets. You find this fruit in various sweets, and they dry this fruit also. And you get natural form of this fruit too, but generally we prefer eating this fruit after drying. Can you guess which fruit is it grown in desert? Obviously, it's nothing but dates. Dates hold utmost importance in Arab states, and it's from ancient times it's used as a complete meal. 100 gram of dates give you 280 calories of energy. If you take 100 gram of this fruit, you get 280 calories of energy. This high caloric food is rich in iron, potassium, manganese and vitamin B complex. B complex vitamin helps regulate glucose level, and also potassium controls blood pressure, helps transmit nerve impulses and prevent cramping of muscles. Manganese is effective in maintaining strong bones. The use of dates reduces risk of heart attack, and it's easy solution for constipation. These are all the benefits of dates. So it's useful for various purposes. It's very useful that you for your heart too, and also to prevent constipation. Next fruit that we are going to talk about is one of the berries. It's round in shape, and what clue can I give for this fruit? I have tried this fruit. It's very tasty. It's not so sweet and it's not so sour too. You get various chocolates made out of this fruit, and what more, it's small, very small and round in shape. So this fruit is strawberry. Strawberry contains antioxidants and it's rich source of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to improve immune system. Immune system in the sense, if you get cold or cough or anything, for few people it will just get cured in one day. For few people it will take 5 days, and for few 10 days, or for few 1 month also. It depends on your immune system. That means the ability of the body to fight against all these diseases. So if you eat strawberries, you will get a lot of immunity, and so it's very helpful. And folic acid is also found in it abundantly, and this folic acid helps in making DNA, RNA, and it also helps in fighting cancer. For stained teeth, you should cut strawberries into half, and then you have to rub it on your teeth, and you will notice a difference. It is also a rich source of manganese, potassium, copper, and also vitamin B complex. These are all the benefits of strawberry. Next fruit that we are going to talk about is found in all seasons. The leaves of this fruit are very useful in Indian traditions in marriage and all. You eat food in Hindu festivals mostly. For pujas also they use the leaf. Leaves are generally very big. Leaves of this tree are very big, and the fruit is slightly bent. What clue? You just peel the skin and have this fruit. Most of you will like it. It's found in almost all seasons. Hindus offer it to God generally. This fruit is, since it's very common, you offer it, and it's sweet. It's not sour, obviously. These are all the clues that I can give for this fruit. Can you identify which fruit is it? Very popular and very common fruit. It is nothing but banana. There is a chemical in bananas, in all bananas, which is called as amino acid tryptophan. It helps to reduce depression. Depression is one of the common disease. That is when you feel very sad and you don't have anyone to listen to you, or something of that sort. Depression happens. It mostly happens for people who are about 20, because small kids always enjoy. But it's said that in 50 years or so, even kids suffer from this disease called depression. So bananas sometimes help to reduce depression. That's what science says. And also banana is important source of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, iron, potassium and phosphorus. The amount of phosphorus found in banana is helpful in brain development. And it's quick and easy remedy for heartburns too. So if you want to improve your brain, please eat banana because it has high amount of phosphorus, which will really help you do this. talk about is also another fruit which is round in shape, and even this fruit you just peel off the skin and you eat the rest of the fruits. It has a particular season, and now is the season. I mean, almost it's ending, and it's sour. Sometimes you can find sweet ones too. It's sour generally, and juice made out of this fruit is very popular and we keep drinking it often. I guess the peels of this fruit also are very useful, and the peels especially smell very nice. This fruit is nothing but, can you guess which fruit am I speaking about? Yeah, this fruit is orange. Orange belongs to family of citrus fruits. This juicy fruit contains collagen, which is beneficial for keeping younger looking skin. If you want to look younger, you have to try orange. Orange peels are not a waste because chewing small pieces of the peels help eliminate bad breath, and also it gives you long lasting fresh breath. You can just try chewing small pieces of the peels to get a fresh breath, long lasting fresh breath. It also maintains pH level of the mouth and also prevents tooth decay and also cavities. If you have regular habit of just chewing small pieces of orange peels, it helps you prevent, it gives you good breath and also prevents tooth decays and also cavities. Next fruit that I'm going to talk about is quite big in size, and I don't know much about this fruit. Yeah, we generally eat this fruit a lot, but in South India we make a dish which is called as kesri bath. So for kesri bath you generally use this fruit. Juice of this fruit is very tasty, and various candies are made out of this fruit. Its skin is quite rough. I'm talking about pineapple. Pineapple is another amazing fruit with lots of benefits for skin. It is beneficial for healing wounds and also curing skin infections that are caused by injuries. So if you have any wounds, this pineapple helps you a lot. It contains enzymes that helps skin elasticity and also makes skin softer. And it is an easy remedy for dark spots. Pineapple also helps build strong bones and also improves digestion. These are all the benefits of pineapple. Next fruit that I am going to talk about is also very famous. They make pies out of this fruit. It's also round in shape and it's a very common fruit too. It has seeds. The trees of this fruit are very big, and the fruit is also round in shape, and you generally have tasted the juice too. Can you guess which fruit? It's sweet and quite starchy. Which fruit am I talking about? Of course, it's nothing but apple. So all of us would have heard this statement, that is, apple a day keeps the doctor away. It still holds true for this fruit because it's helpful in curing major diseases like Alzheimer's, osteoporosis, and also asthma. It is the highest cultivated fruit worldwide, and 35% of this fruit is cultivated in China. 35% of all the apples that you eat are from China. The rich amount of pectin helps in reducing bad cholesterol up to 16%. Bad cholesterol in the sense you would have eaten junk food and things like that, and cholesterol that is not necessary for your body and is in excess. So this apple helps in reducing such cholesterol. So you can say you will be more healthy if you eat this fruit. It also improves your intestinal health. That means obviously it helps in digestion as well, because it helps in intestinal health, and it removes toxic substances from your body. Toxic substances means all the substances that your body doesn't need. All the harmful substances that your body doesn't need are removed by this fruit, that is apple. And amount of potassium found in it helps functioning of kidneys. The role of kidneys is to purify blood, so it also helps in the functioning of kidneys, and it aids in stone removal. Few people get kidney stones, and apple doesn't completely remove stones, but it just helps in stone removal. That means it becomes softer. Welcome to the world of invention, creativity, and discovery. Here's an opportunity for all of us to explore the ocean of knowledge. This show is all about emerging trends in science and technology, math, quiz, facts, and much more. So friends, get ready to listen Tech Toast with Science Spread with your RJ Vidya only on Radio Udan. You can hear this show every Monday from 7 to 8 pm and rebroadcast every Tuesday from 2 to 3 pm. To contribute any article or information regarding science, math or technology, or to give your valuable feedback or suggestion, please send a mail to tt@gmail.com. That is ttwithss@gmail.com or vidya.y@radioudan.com. That is vidhya.y@radioudan.com. Or you can also give your feedback by visiting the website www.radioudan.com.
आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो उड़ान, फ्लाइट ऑफ लाइफ।
प्रतिभा की पहचान,
प्रज्ञा की मुस्कान,
सबलांगों का साथी, ये है रेडियो उड़ान।
रेडियो उड़ान के प्रोग्राम्स की जानकारी के लिए, शोज में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए, किसी भी शो को फीडबैक देने के लिए, आर्काइव रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए, आरजे बनने के लिए और अपने फेवरेट आरजेस की प्रोफाइल्स पढ़ने के लिए लॉग ऑन करें www.radioudan.com। स्काइप आईडी रेडियो उड़ान, ईमेल mail@radioudan.com। रेडियो उड़ान, a flight of life।
Next fruit that I am going to talk about is very small in size. There are different varieties of this fruit too, and it's generally sour and you get sweet ones too. it's generally used for making juice and even in wines. When I tell this, you would have got to know which fruit I'm talking about. It's nothing but, to give you another clue, you have heard about story of a fox, and the story also involves this fruit. It is grapes. Grapes is known as queen of fruits. Mango is known as king of fruits and grapes is known as queen of fruits. It contains essential vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin B6. It has some important minerals stored in it such as calcium, potassium, iron, phosphorus, selenium and also magnesium. A simple home remedy for curing migraine. Migraine is nothing but people get this disease. It is very severe headache. Few people get vomiting and few people get this headache for 2 or 3 days. Sometimes no tablet can cure this sort of disease. So, it helps in curing migraine. So for this you have to drink juice of ripe grapes without adding water to it. You just need to make a juice of ripe grapes without adding any water to it, and if you drink it, it helps in curing migraine. It also prevents heart diseases by improving nitric oxide levels in the blood, which results in reduced blood clotting. It reduces blood clotting. That means, for example, if you fall, your hand or leg starts bleeding, and then in order to stop the bleeding, the blood clotting has to happen. That means your platelets which are present in blood have to help in blood clotting. That means they have to stop the blood flow. This is called as blood clotting. Stopping the blood flow is called as blood clotting, and this fruit, grapes, helps in clotting of blood too. Grapes are also helpful in curing asthma, constipation, indigestion, kidney disorders and Alzheimer's. Next fruit discussing about this becomes very important. It's also round in shape. You drink juice made out of this fruit. It's very helpful and very useful. One of the most useful fruits ever. It's nothing but lemon. And one speciality about this fruit, that is lemon, is it grows in all seasons. It has endless benefits. Since ancient times, it's believed that this fruit helps to neutralize the effects of various poisons, and researchers also have proved this to be true. The rich contents of vitamin C helps maintenance of good skin. So lemon obviously is helpful to maintain your skin. Other essential nutrients found in lemon are calcium, magnesium, bioflavonoid, limonene and pectin. It is known for its immunity boosting, that is you will be able to bear any sort of diseases better, and it's known for antibacterial and antiviral properties. It is also very cheap and easy remedy for weight loss. There is a ancient old tip, that is as soon as you get up, if you just mix 1 spoon of honey with 2 spoons of lemon juice and a glass of warm water and drink it before even doing anything, as soon as you get up, it seems it reduces the cholesterol and so you can reduce weight too. Or simply drinking lemon juice also will help you reduce weight. Drinking a cup of lemon water helps you get rid of bad breath also. And lemon, generally they use it for skin. It brings glow to your skin and makes it softer. Next fruit that we are going to talk about is also very helpful during summer. It has so many seeds in it. There are various chocolates, that is candies, made out of this fruit as well. And it really helps you in summer, so you should guess which fruit. It's nothing but summer is hot, so what do we generally need? We need air and we need lots and lots of water. So this fruit is nothing but watermelon. As I said, it helps in beating scorching heat of summer. Watermelon is the best fruit, as watermelon is one of the best fruits that's available because it's rich in electrolytes. Watermelon is a very low caloric fruit, so there's no way you become fat when you eat this fruit. Because 100 grams of watermelon will have only 30 calories, so no matter how much you eat. It prevents stroke and other chronic heart diseases. And how does it do that? Because it has potassium contents in it. The amount of lycopene which is present in watermelon helps the skin from harmful effects of ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays we generally get through sun. Ultraviolet rays we get it through sun, and it also helps to prevent the harmful effects of UV rays, that's ultraviolet rays. It also contains vitamin B1, B6, C and also manganese. Excessive ammonia in the body can also be removed with the help of arginine, which is present in lemon. Next fruit that I am going to talk about is also very famous, very popular fruit, and we keep eating these fruits often. Since I don't have many clues about this fruit, I am going to directly tell you which fruit I am going to talk about. It is nothing but papaya. Papaya fruit is very low in calories. That means no matter how much you eat, you won't grow that fat. It just has 39 calories per 100 grams. Just 39 calories for 100 grams of papaya that you take in. It contains no cholesterol, and it is rich source of phytonutrients, minerals and also vitamins. Papayas contain soft, easily digestible flesh with good amount of soluble dietary fiber, which helps to have normal bowel movements, and so it reduces constipation problems. Since it's very soft, you can digest this fruit very easily, and it also has fibers which helps you prevent constipations. Fresh and ripe papaya is one of the fruit which is very rich in vitamin C content. It provides 61.8 milligram more than that of oranges or lemons. We generally think oranges and lemons are very rich at vitamin C. Yeah, they are rich, but papayas provide 61.8 milligrams more than that of oranges or lemons. Per 100 grams, it provides 61.8 milligrams extra compared to orange and lemon. Research studies have shown that vitamin C has many important functions like free radical scavenging, immune booster and anti-inflammatory actions. Papaya is also excellent source of vitamin A, and vitamin A, as we all know, it's required for maintaining healthy mucous membranes and skin, and also it's very essential for healthy visions. These compounds are known to have antioxidant properties which help as protective scavengers against oxygen derived radicals and reactive oxygen species that play a role in aging and various disease processes. And papaya is also very rich in keratin, and keratin is known to protect the body from lung and oral cavity cancers. Papaya fruit is also rich in many essential B complex vitamins such as folic acid, vitamin B6, vitamin B1. These vitamins are very essential in the sense that body requires them from external sources to replenish and play a vital role in metabolism. And papaya also contains a good amount of potassium and calcium. Potassium is very important component of cell and body fluids, and also it helps in controlling heart rate and also blood pressure. This counters the effects of sodium as well. Papaya seeds. The seeds of papayas are also very helpful. They have been proven natural remedy for many ailments in the traditional medicine. Seeds are used to treat stomachache and ringworm infections. These are all the very important benefits of papayas, so hope you will include even this fruit in your diet. These are all the various fruits that I wanted to discuss with you today and all their health benefits. You should remember to add a variety of fruits to your diet, and one thing is, you don't even have to use medicines in most of these cases, as you will be very healthy if you add fruits to your diet. It is very highly recommended that you should at least take more than 5 portions of fruits a day. But we generally don't do that, but you really have to include these fruits and try out the magic that you get out of these fruits. Now coming to the math section, I'd like to tell you an interesting trick. And this trick is called as 1089, that is 1089. No matter however you solve this, the final answer should be 1089. This trick again you can trick your friends very easily. I'm going to tell this trick for you. First thing, tell your friend to think of a 3-digit number. Any 3-digit number. Then tell them to write it down, but before they write it down, you should tell them to arrange the digits of the number from greatest to smallest. From greatest to smallest, you have to tell them to write the digits of the number. Take for example 543. That is, 5 is the leftmost digit of the number, which is the greatest. After 5, to the right of 5 you get 4, which is second smallest, and to the right of 4 you get 3, which is the smallest number. So 543. They have to write it in this way. Then next step is, below this number, tell them to write this number in reverse order. That is, 543 was the number when you wrote it from greatest to smallest. When you reverse the digits of this number, you get 345. 3 was the rightmost digit, so it will go to the leftmost digit now. 4 was the second digit, so it will remain same. 5 was the leftmost digit, and when you reverse it, it comes to the rightmost place. So 543, when you reverse it, it becomes 345. So write 345 below 543. Now next step is, tell them to subtract these two numbers. When you subtract 543 minus 345, you get 198. 198 will be the answer. 198 is your new answer. Then next step is, tell them to reverse the order of this number, that is 198. Right, you would have got 198, so write down this number and reverse the digits of this number. That is 891. 198. 1 was the leftmost digit, so when you reverse it, it goes to rightmost place. And 9 was second number, so leave it as it is. And 8 was the last digit, that is rightmost digit. When you reverse it, it goes to leftmost digit. Just reverse the numbers. When you reverse 198, you get 891. Now add these two numbers. That is 198 plus 891. When you add these two, 198 plus 891, you get 1098, which is your answer. First itself, don't tell them that 1089 will be the answer. After you finish all these, just ask them if 1089 is their answer, and obviously it will be right. Let's take another example. Think of a 3-digit number. That is, for now, let's take 653. After thinking of a 3-digit number, you have to write it from greatest to smallest. You have to arrange the digits of the number from greatest to smallest. That is, digits should be arranged in descending order. When you arrange, you get 653. That is, 6 is the leftmost digit, which is the biggest. It's in 100th place. 5 is the second digit, which is in 10th place, and it is smaller than 6, and it's second smallest. And 3 is the last digit, which is in the units place, and it is the smallest. So 653, you have to write it in this way. Then below this number, reverse the digits of this number and write it down. That is, 653, when you reverse it, you get 356. 653 was the number. When you reverse it, you get 356. So 653, below that you write 356, and now it's time to deduct these two numbers. That is, 653 minus 356, you get 297. That is your new answer. So write down 297. 2 was the leftmost digit, which is in 100th place. 9 is the second digit, which is in the 10th place, and 7 is in the units place. So 297 is the answer after deducting 653 minus 356. Now for 297, you have to reverse the digits of this number and write it down. When you reverse the digits of 297, you get 792. That is, 7 is the 100th place, 9 is in the 10th place, and 2 is in the units place. Now add these two up. That is 297 plus 792. When you add, your answer will be equal to 1089. That is the answer. I am repeating the trick for you. First, tell your friend to think of any number, 3-digit number. Then tell her or him to write it down, but it should be written by arranging the digits in descending order. That is, you should arrange the digits from greatest to the smallest. Greatest should be in the left place, greatest should be in the 100th place, and the smallest should be in the units place. Like that you have to arrange. Greater number will be to the left, next greater number will be to the right of it. Like that, the smallest number should be in the units place. After arranging it from greatest to smallest, you will tell them to write it down. Then tell them to reverse the digits of this number and write it down below that, below the number they have written. And then tell them to subtract the second number from the first number. Once you get the result, write down that result, and again you have to reverse this result. The digits of this result should be reversed and written down below the result. Now the result and the reversed digits of the result, this number, these two numbers should be added, and finally ask them that if their answer is 1089, and obviously it will be true. This was the math trick that I had for you today. Hope you enjoyed this trick. Since we don't have any more time for this show, it's time to end up our show for today. Today we discussed about important benefits of various fruits, and also I told you a math trick. Hope you enjoyed all the information for today. Have a wonderful week. We'll meet next week with different information but the same show, of course. So this is your RJ Vidya signing off. Take care, have a wonderful week. Meet you next week. Till then, goodbye.
देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदे, पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया, और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना, और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई, जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी, जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई। ये तो आशा लहर है, ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है, खुशियों की लहर है, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। देखो रातों के सीने पे ये तो झिलमिल किसी लौ से उगे हैं, ये तो अंबिया की खुशबू है बागों से बह चले, जैसे कांच में चूड़ी के टुकड़े, जैसे खिले खिले फूलों के मुखड़े, जैसे बंसी कोई बजाए पेड़ों के तले। ये तो झोंके पवन के है, ये घुंघरू जीवन के, ये तो सुर है चमन के, खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर। रौनक गलियां है जैसे खिलने की जिद पर कलियां है जैसे मुट्ठी में मौसम की जैसे हवाएं ये है बुजुर्गों के दिल की दुआएं खो न जाएंगे तारे ज़मीं पर
कभी बातें जैसे दादी नानी, कभी चल के जैसे मम्मा पानी, कभी बन